Hi, I'm Dia, a curious 15-year-old from Bengaluru. The problems my innovation addresses. Wood requires deforestation, which increases climate change, depletes groundwater levels, poses a threat to wildlife, and increases soil erosion. MDF is a toxic material. It contains formaldehyde, a carcinogen, which makes MDF hazardous to the health of carpenters and factory workers. Burning of agricultural crop waste or stubble is a huge environmental issue in India. Yet farmers have no other way to get rid of the useless crop waste. My proposed solution. My innovation is a novel material called AGROSIT. It is an eco-friendly and health-friendly replacement for wood and MDF. AGROSIT is made from crop waste and a waterproof biodegradable glue inspired by adhesives in nature. The crop waste is crushed to a powder and combined with the glue. This is then molded into planks under industrial pressure and solidified. The big advantages. AGROSIT has several advantages. Please pause this video here to go through this table that clearly outlines what makes AGROSIT a great material. Progress so far. AGROSIT is currently in the prototype and proof of concept stage. In my homemade prototype, I have used coconut husk instead of crop waste and prepared a makeshift homemade glue. The prototype material is not as compact as proposed due to the lack of industrial pressure, and the husk is coarse since it was powdered at home. Thank you.